What universities are called to do more than anything else is to present their students with models of people deeply engaged in what they genuinely love.
Great teaching is an affirmation of an individual's agency and nature and of their potential.
We're attempting to help further the development of people who value and take responsibility for themselves, who are good partners in intimate relationships, who make steadfast and loyal friends, who are good stewards of the local community, who are informed enough to engage productively in political matters.
At its most ambitious, Ralston College hopes to connect the individuals with the fundamental ontological realities of truth, beauty, and goodness to actualize their own freedoms.
To encourage the development of sovereign citizens. If you study the humanities and educate yourself in that tradition, then you can write and you can think and you can communicate, and there isn't anything you'll ever do in your life that's practical, for that matter, that doesn't require those abilities. All of that's central to any success whatsoever. And you're not studying great literature to be entertained, although perhaps it will also be entertaining. You're studying great literature to learn how to be great, and to note that there's a responsibility that goes along with that, and an opportunity, and then to manifest that to the degree that you can in everything you do, in your relationship with yourself, in your relationship with your wife or husband, in your relationship with your kids, your friends, the surrounding community, the state, the country, everything. Once you understand that you see the world through a hierarchy of value, and then you understand that the humanities is both the transmission of that hierarchy of value and its study, then the absolute necessity for a humanities tradition becomes like self-evident. A huge part of thought is mediated by discussion. Most people think by talking, and most thinking that occurs through talking is dialogical. So right there you see the importance of the dialogue and the community. And the in-person is important. Paradisa means walled garden. And the walls are culture, and the garden is nature. And so Savannah has that aspect, that it's a very beautiful city. It's laid out extremely intelligently. And so the appreciation of beauty and the effect that beauty has on us is something that the humanities endeavors to explain and develop. I knew enough about what made people successful in life by the time I met Stephen to know that, intelligence is extraordinarily important. The ability to communicate is important. You have vision, you have practical ability and attention to detail. And then the depth and breadth of the connection network he's fostered over decades, and as well as friendship, for that matter, which is also not trivial. We've undertaken a number of difficult ventures together, and they've gone extraordinarily well. And so there's that testament to his vision, combination of vision and management ability. Even Stephen's ability to refurbish a building, to set up classrooms, to make the classrooms work, to allow people to dine together and to facilitate that and to value it. And out of that, something new will emerge. That all speaks to a choice that's been very carefully made. Insofar as you can have the things in place that might indicate success, possibility of success, they're there. Nothing necessary to that success has been overlooked. And so away we go.